Alright, so here is a quick tip which might help somebody who is running Emacs client in terminal. I generally do because I don't feel the necessity to run Emacs in GUI mode. Very seldom I run it in GUI version. Most of the time I run it from the terminal or in terminal mode. So there is a catch running Emacs in terminal mode or in terminal because it might not behave or support or allow to open particular function. That particular function, maybe if you are in the habit of reading PDF, you might not able to see PDF in when Emacs running in terminal mode. Okay, for that, if you wanted to see the PDF inside Emacs, then you have to run the Emacs in GUI mode, and I made a video about it. Go back to the channel and find it out. Here I'll show you how you could use the specific tool which is supposed to be installed in your system. In this case, I'm using a tool called Zathura, which is a very popular open source PDF viewing tool which is already installed in my system. So I'll take advantage of that particular tool to see the PDF from Emacs which is running on terminal mode with the help of that tool outside of Emacs. Okay, that's certainly not going to see the PDF inside Emacs in terminal mode. That is not possible. So there must be some way to see the PDF while you are running the Emacs in terminal mode. I believe I'm clear enough. Okay, to give you some sort of demonstration, let me get into my Emacs client. This is my Emacs client which is running on terminal as usual all the time. So if I go to my BibTeX, this is my BibTeX, and I have few reference what supposed to be open in PDF, because you've seen the PDF sign there on the right hand side of the screen. I'm running it on terminal. I'm reminding it again and again. If you run it on GUI version of Emacs, it will be using PDF tool which will help you to see the PDF inside Emacs in the GUI version. But I'm running on terminal, so I have to take advantage of the other tool which is Zathura. Should be installed in the system beforehand so it can show me the PDF. Okay, so this clear entry, you can see my cursor is there. I'm putting my cursor, is underlying kind of cursor is there. That is a PDF. If I press enter, see, it's going to see it is going to open the PDF in Zathura. Okay, this is a very convenient way of getting stuff in your tool which you are accustomed to. I use Zathura for seeing PDF outside Emacs also. In this case, it is doing the same thing. From the only difference is that I have pressed enter in the BibTeX entry, which will go ahead and popped up Zathura with the particular PDF attached to that particular entry. Okay, so this is very convenient. That's all I'm showing it. That is why I'm showing it to you. Okay, so how do I get it? Pretty darn simple. Let me open my Emacs, and this is my .emacs file which is uploaded on GitHub. If you want, you can have a look at it. So just search for PDF. See, my cursor is highlighted on a particular you can see I'm moving my cursor. I believe you are seeing it. It says BibTeX completion PDF open function, which is a function. Okay, now it is calling an argument hem open file with the default tool. Okay, this default tool is assigned to Zathura in a customized section. So every time I press enter on a BibTeX entry which is having a PDF attachment, it will going to open it on Zathura. Okay, like just like that what I shown to you few seconds back. Okay, so what is this function is all about? It says BibTeX completion PDF open function. Okay, if I say Control C and Control D, it will going to open a help page. Open a help page, you can see, and it is saying as you saw the argument of that particular function is him open file with default tool. The default tool in my system, which is Zathura for PDF viewing. Okay, and it says there is a clear text to basically to see the PDF file, and it will use internally find file as it is written over there in the doc string. Okay, and it is also said, if you see my cursor is hovering, the system default viewer for PDF is used, which is what I used. I use Zathura, so it pops up in Zathura. Likewise, if you use some other PDF viewer, you can simply assign it to it so that it can start using it. Okay, so and the source code is here. So this is this is how I open my PDF in the designated application from running Emacs on terminal, and I shown you from the BibTeX point of view. So fine, before I let you go, finally one more time, let me close it, and then Control CH. Let me try one more time. I'm going to, you see my underlying cursor is there in the BibTeX. It could be anything inside Emacs. Okay, the bottom line is I'm running it on terminal, so it's supposed to take the help from a program which is capable of doing that specific stuff. Here in this case PDF viewing, which is not possible if you run Emacs in terminal mode. So take the advantage of other tool which is good at it. So if I press enter, it is going to open the PDF in a designated application from it. Pretty convenient, at least to me. That's why I'm making this video. It might help some of you people, whoever is watching it. Okay, so you could use other PDF viewer if you are accustomed to. That is very easily configurable. Okay, so I hope it will be useful for some people. Thanks for watching.